Hello everyone, in this video tutorial I am going to show you how to give the link like I'm just running the project and show you the currently we are navigating through the URL. Now I want to add the link or button to navigate through without the URL. So let's say for example if I am going to product page, then I have to go to the click on the product. Then for the create we have to write the create. So instead of navigating through URL, I am getting the adding the link here. So let's start with, so I'm going to, let's say this is the list page, and from the list page I have to redirect onto the create product. So we can add html tml dot action link. We don't have the so much now. This is the name that display on the link. This is the method name and this is the controller name. So we can remove this if we not required. So this thing. Now similarly, we can use for go to the list page. So we can add on the edit. This is called list. This is method name, index, and the controller name. Same for we use for the add. Now in the menu section, I also add the link to the menu. Copy the same and just paste here. Here, the controller name is called product. The action name is index. This name is product. Now run the application and test the link. Now, as you can see, the product link is available. You can click on the product, then you get the product list. Now on the product list you can create on the link, then go to the create list, again back you can come to the list, you can click on the edit button, then you can got the product, and from the edit you can navigate to the list page. In the similar way you can navigate all those things without accessing the URL. So thank you for watching this video.